Hi, and welcome to Session 7. We've really taken our time to build upon our practice and get comfortable sitting with the mind. Maybe you set certain expectations for yourself when you began meditating. Perhaps you were hoping for your thoughts to stop, to achieve a certain emotional state, or to feel better after the first session. As I mentioned in the last session, with meditation, the less expectations, the better. This allows us to truly enjoy and appreciate the moments as they unfold. If we only see the clouds, we'll fail to see the blue skies just beyond them. The blue sky being that feeling of calm that's always present, and the clouds being our thoughts or expectations. The more focus we put on the clouds, the further away the blue skies seem. And of course, sometimes we forget what the blue sky looks like and feels like. But being able to be present and notice when the mind has wandered will help those clouds disperse. In today's practice, we're noticing the clouds as they come and go and staying connected to the presence of the blue skies. So let's get comfortable here. Taking a moment just to settle in. You can be sitting upright or lying down. And as always, beginning with the eyes open to a soft gaze. And taking a few deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. On the next exhale, closing the eyes and feeling your body relax and soften. Noticing the weight pressing down, connecting to the surface beneath you. Settling into the body. Settling into the space around you. Just noticing the sounds in your space, allowing them to come and go. And then bringing your attention back to the body. Just taking a moment to check in and noticing what's present here. Maybe you feel heavy, tense, restless. Just noticing and getting a sense of how the body feels. And let's begin to scan the body, starting at the top of the head and scanning down, noticing your ears, your mouth, jaw, shoulders. Just continuing to scan, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort in the body. And also noticing where you feel more at ease as you scan down towards the toes. And now, begin to notice the breath as it moves in and out of the body. Just noticing that rising and falling sensation. And see if you can notice where you feel the breath in the body. And just noticing its natural rhythm as you breathe in and breathe out. Not changing anything or forcing anything, just allowing the breath to move, allowing the body to breathe, breathing in and breathing out. And when you're ready, begin to count the breaths just for that gentle focus. So as you breathe in, that's 1. And as you breathe out, that's 2. And just noticing when the mind has wandered, allowing the thoughts to come and go, just like the clouds, connecting to that sense of the blue skies, noticing its presence, and coming back to the breath again. And now, letting go of any focus, letting go of the counting, and just allowing the mind to be free here. And now, bring the focus back to the body. Feeling that contact of your body with the surface beneath you. Noticing your shoulders, your right arm, your left arm, noticing your back and your legs, and just inviting movement back into your hands and your toes, becoming aware of the space around you, noticing any sounds or scents that may be present. And when you're ready, in your own time, slowly opening the eyes. And before you move, just take a moment to notice how you feel and notice what feels different. Our job when it comes to the blue skies and the clouds is to simply observe and create an awareness of what we are paying attention to. If we only focus on the clouds, then all we will see are the clouds. If we focus on the blue sky, this takes away from the richness and depth of our minds. It's all about creating the balance and not to worry if there's still a lot of clouds in your sky. This practice is here to support us in seeing things a bit more clearly. I'll see you back here for session 8.